Great feature of the kit. Unlike traditional glues, this balm provides a strong but gentle hold, and it keeps the lashes in place on the lift pads, or it sets the brows into the desired shape. Best of all, it wipes away clean with water or a damp cloth, and it leaves no sticky residue behind. Next is the lifting lotion. This is a direct from the innovative tube design. It allows for precise control so you can use what you need. No dripping and there's no waste. Let the formula work its magic to gently curl your lashes or lift your brows. Then remove the lotion and follow up with the fixing lotion. Again, use the tube tip for easy, targeted application. This locks in the best results, ensuring a long-lasting lifted effect. Once the setting is done, wipe away any residue and admire results. It's naturally lifted, curled lashes, and beautifully laminated brows. The formulas are crafted with really gentle ingredients, making them safe for even the most sensitive skins. Whether you're prepping for a big event or just want to look up looking refreshed, this kit is fantastic.